Want to create a professional logo animation but don't know how to use After Effects? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly create an animated logo reveal with AI using Fotor Video Agent. No complicated keyframes, no After Effects. Just upload your logo, describe the motion you want, and let AI do the work. First, upload your logo to Fotor Video Agent. For the best logo animation result, use a high-quality SVG or transparent PNG. In this example, our logo includes three main elements: the Fotor wordmark, the AI icon, and the Vibe marketing tagline. Now, enter your prompt. Ask the agent to first recreate your SVG as motion graphics, keeping it 100% identical to the original, and then animate it into a logo reveal. This step is important because we want the agent to recreate the logo as editable motion graphics instead of directly animating the uploaded image. Now let's turn the static logo into an animated logo reveal. The agent will then create a motion graphic plan, including the visuals, animation, and editable elements. You can make changes directly in the table or chat with the agent. Once you are happy with the plan, click Confirm and proceed. After a short wait, your AI animation will appear directly in the timeline. Right now, our logo animation looks good, but it's still silent. Let's add some sound effects to make the logo reveal feel more complete. I'll select the animation, go back to the chat, and ask the agent to add a suitable sound effect to the logo reveal. Again, we just need to give the agent a moment to process the request. The sound effect will be automatically generated and added to the timeline, so you don't have to manually search for and sync the audio. And now we can preview the animation again with the sound effect. The motion and sound work together to make the logo reveal feel much more dynamic. But the best part is that the motion graphics are still editable. Go to Parameters, where you can either ask AI to modify the graphic for you or adjust the settings manually. For example, I can change the color of the graphic or edit the text directly. This means you are not locked into the first version that AI generates. You can keep refining the animation until it matches your brand style. And if you want to add another motion graphic effect, you can simply select the animation and tell the agent what you want. For example, let's add a light sweep effect to the logo. I'll ask the agent to add the effect and let it handle the timing and placement. While the agent is working, you don't need to manually figure out where the effect should go. It will analyze the existing animation and place the new effect in the most suitable part of the timeline. And here's the result. The light sweep adds a subtle highlight to the logo without overwhelming the original animation. You can always preview the effect and make another adjustment if you want it to be faster, slower, stronger, or more subtle. And that's it. We've turned a static logo into a complete animated logo reveal with AI, including editable motion graphics, custom effects, and sound. And the best part is, you don't need After Effects or advanced motion design skills to create it. Just describe the animation you want and let Fotor Video Agent bring it to life. Want to create your own logo animation with AI? Try Fotor Video Agent and start creating your next animated logo reveal. Subscribe to Fotor for more AI video, motion graphic, and creative tutorials.